in the Jatakas, we have a vivid description of the localization of these craft guilds. Thus, we have reference to Vaddhaki Gama, that is, we have a village of 1000 family of carpenters or woodcutters who are working on woods. So, this is highly localized. Then we have references to Kammara Gama also, where also we find reference to 1000 families. Now, the term 1000 or 500 may be conventional, but what is important is that they were localized in a particular sector. Even in the urban space, we have names of roads in the name of a particular craft group. For example, we have Malakara Bithi. So, which means though Malakaras lived in that particular lane and that particular area. Romila Thapar feels that these people were localized not only in the urban space, but also we have to notice that the physical occupation of a particular space was identified with the particular craft group. K. K. Thapliyal has worked a lot on the nature of the guilds, and he mentions that we had guilds in the Vedic period also, though we do not have much evidence about it. Then we have guilds in the age of the Buddha and Jaina Mahavira. In the Mauryan period also experienced guild, though it was much more state controlled. In the post-Mauryan period also, and in the Gupta period, the guilds continued in the Indian context. The guilds were twofold. One was the craft guild, other was the traders guild. But what is interesting and important to note is that the crafts guilds had generally hereditary succession, which is not always noticed in a merchant guild. The reason for the proliferation of crafts and the organization of guild, according to Thapliyal, is that with the coming of the new religions, Buddhism and Jainism, the society moved away from the earlier practices of yagya, that is sacrifice, where a large amount of material wealth and animal wealth, for example cows and other things, had to be sacrificed and were given up.